Good afternoon, children. Today we are going to learn lesson 4 from block 4. Lesson name is Keeping Our Home Clean. Aim of today's lesson is to assess the importance of keeping our home clean. So in today's class, we will learn the importance of keeping our homes clean. We will look at the pictures of two pupils' home and learn about the importance of keeping our home clean. Look at the picture of Alia's and Sana's home from S4 carefully. Okay, we can discuss the differences that you see in the two homes from the picture. How was Alia's home different from Sana's home in the picture? Yes, care of her home and kept it clean. She cleaned her house regularly, washed the dirty dishes in the kitchen. Alia left dirty clothes and dishes lying around her home. She did not throw the garbage in the dustbin. This can invite flies and mosquitoes, and people can fall sick. Here we can see two pictures. How are they different? Yes, Sanat took care of her home and kept it clean. She cleaned her house regularly, washed the dirty dishes in the kitchen. What about Alia's house? Dirty clothes and dishes lying around her home. Okay, yes. Why is it important to keep our homes clean? Is it important, yes? Yes, it is important to keep our home clean. Why? We spend a lot of time in our homes. It is a place where we eat, sleep, dress, and spend time with our family. So it is important to keep it clean. We can do this by putting all the garbages in the dustbin, washing dirty dishes from the kitchen in time, cleaning and sweeping the floors regularly. This will keep our homes clean, and as a result, the surrounding will also remain clean and healthy. Who do you think should keep your home clean? Yes, everyone in the family should keep our home clean. Okay, children, if we do not clean our home, what will happen? Yes, it will invite the mosquitoes. It will invite mosquitoes and flies, and people can fall sick. So, it's very important to keep our home clean. So, let's read a content book, page number 23. We spend a lot of time in our home, so it is important to keep them clean. We can do this by putting the garbage in dustbins, washing dirty dishes in the kitchen, and cleaning and sweeping the floors every day. This will keep our homes clean. As a result, the surroundings will also be clean and healthy. Let us discuss workbook S4. What is the first question? Yes, look at the picture of two homes and answer the question. How are the two rooms different? How are these two rooms different? Yes, picture A, it is not clean, dirty dishes and dirty clothes lying around. Then B, it is clean and dishes and clothes and floor cleaned. Then second question, what will happen if we live in a place like Alia's room? What will happen? Yes, it will invite mosquitoes and flies and we will fall sick. Then third question, write two ways how you can keep your home clean. How you can keep your home clean? Yes, we can Do this by putting all the garbages in the dustbin, washing dirty dishes from the kitchen in time, cleaning, sweeping the floors regularly. This will keep our home clean. Okay, children, hope you understood keeping our homes clean. With this lesson, we have completed block 4, home and shelter. What did you learn from this block? First lesson, we have studied what? Yes, we have studied need for shelter. We need a shelter. It protects us from rain, cold, hot, and wild animals. Then in the second lesson, we have studied different type of houses. Which are the different type of houses? Yes, hut, bungalows, flats, caravans, tent, houseboat, and igloo. These are the different type of houses that we see in different places. Then in the third lesson, we have studied that different materials, people use different materials to make their houses. In villages, we can see mud houses. Then in hills stations or hilly region, we can see wood houses, and in cities we can see what type of houses? Yes, concrete houses. These are the different type of houses that we see in different places. Now in the last lesson, keeping our homes clean, we have studied that it is very important to keep our home clean because we spend a lot of time in our home, and it is the duty of everyone in the family to keep home clean. How can we do it? By putting all the garbages in the dustbin, and by cleaning floors regularly, and clean dirty dishes and dirty clothes regularly. Okay, these are the ways we can keep our home clean. Understood this block, home and shelter? Thank you. Have a nice day.